Today's eyeshadow look, I am going into Colored Rain. The palette is called Thunder. I am putting the color in my crease. There's a lighter gray. I'm going to put it in the brow bone and mix it with the first color that I have in my crease. I'm now going into the Uma palette, which is called Black Magic, and this palette is called Savage. I need the black. So I'm going to go into the black and put it on the lids. I'm now going into a shimmer. Beautiful shimmer. Today's I am says, I affirm that I am willing to release the causes and patterns in my consciousness. I'm not using any glitter glue. So I'm stamping this shimmer in place. Today's I am. I affirm that I am willing to release the causes and patterns in my consciousness. Know that you are not alone. You are never, never, never alone. Hard times are going to come, and you have to trust yourself and your higher power that you will release all the negative patterns in your consciousness, one step at a time. No rush. Take your time and do it, and do the work. Today's look. A little icy, but I love it. I use two palettes. Thunder by Colored Rain and the Black Magic Savage by Uma. I appreciate you for watching all my videos. My lip combo is a wine burgundy lip liner and the Revlon lip polish. These are old. I don't know if you can find them, but that's my lip combo. Thank you for hyping and sharing my videos. I appreciate you greatly. Please remember to play a playlist. And as always, until I see you and you see me, I want you to remember today's affirmation. I affirm that I am willing to release the causes and patterns in my consciousness. I love you always. I will see you shortly in the next video. Until then, keep rising and do not dim your light for another because self is first. Bye.